What's the meaning of botany? Botany. Botany.
Botany. Botany. Botany is the scientific study of plants, including their growth, structure, function, and classification. It encompasses everything from the smallest mosses to the tallest trees and includes the study of their genetics, ecology, and interactions with other organisms. Botanists play a critical role in our understanding of the natural world and are responsible for important contributions to medicine, agriculture, and conservation. The discoveries made by botanists have led to the development of life-saving drugs, the breeding of crops that are resistant to disease, and the preservation of endangered plant species. Overall, botany is a vital field of science with far-reaching implications for us all.